Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. I hope you are well. It is Easter Sunday and my birthday. Happy days. 39. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay, quiz. Although, let's talk about Easter a little bit, kinda. So, we had the beach clean at the Dolphin on Friday, Good Friday. That was cool. That was a success, obviously. Thank you to everybody that came. I wasn't there, but I'm sure David and Kerry had things in hand. Yeah, it's been busy, very busy at both the Dolphin and here at the Parrot, which is fantastic. And we are recording this at about 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. And we have an extremely busy lunch ahead of us. So by the time this goes out, hopefully I'm sat down enjoying some birthday cake. So yeah, shout out to my mum. It was her birthday on Friday as well, so happy birthday to you. But yeah, let's do the quiz, and we'll see how we get on. Let's go. Question 1. Which group sang the song Girls on Film? Question 2. Which vegetable has varieties French grey, ambition, yellow, or maybe it's ambition yellow. No, that would be weird. Yellow and banana. 4 different varieties there. French grey, ambition, yellow and banana. Question 3. In rhyming slang, what is dog and bone? Question 4. Alphabetically, which animal is first in the dictionary? I'm in my office again, obviously, because I just don't have time to set up the cameras and stuff this morning. We are busy in the kitchen. Question 5. Colonel Sanders is the face of which fast food giant? Question 6. Who had a hit in 1989 with Ride on Time? Question 7. What was the name of the motel in the movie Psycho? Question 8. When selling an item, what do the letters O-N-O stand for? Question 9. The cornet belongs to which family of instruments? Question 10. Which organisation produces the War Cry magazine or newspaper? Question 11. In which US state was the Battle of the Alamo? Question 12. Where on the body would you wear an espadrille? Question 13. On a standard keyboard, which letter is between J and L? Question 14. What sort of toy was Cabbage Patch? Question 15. Black, red and what other colour are on a roulette wheel? Question 16. In UK Monopoly, what colour property is Pall Mall? Question 17. What is 13 multiplied by 8? Question 18. Which actress was mother to Liza Minnelli? Question 19. The Picanto is a car manufactured by which car company? There's a noisy car going up the road. And question 20. Who was manager of England football team in 1966? That's it. That's it, guys. All done. Please remember to hit that subscribe button whilst you're here on YouTube. You can also listen to a Parrot Puzzler on a Sunday morning on ABC Radio. Also, the 3rd of May, we do have a pub quiz here at the Dolphin. No, at the Parrot. I'm at the Parrot. 3rd of May, it's a Wednesday, 6 o'clock. Please do book in. I do believe we only have one table left at the moment, but people do drop out really last minute, so we can put you on a waiting list if you want to try and come along. So please give us a call. Okay, let's find out how well you've done. Question 1, which group sang the song Girls on Film? It was Duran Duran. Question 2, which vegetable has varieties French grey, ambition, yellow and banana? It is a shallot. Question 3, in rhyming slang, what is a dog and bone? It's a phone. Question 4, alphabetically, which animal is first in the dictionary? It's an aardvark. I'm assuming it's because it begins with double A. Question 4, Colonel Sanders is the face of which fast food giant? That is KFC. Question 6, who had a hit in 1989 with Ride on Time? It was Black Box. Question 7, what was the name of the motel in the movie Psycho? It was Bates Motel. And question 8, when selling an item, what do the letters ONO stand for? It means or nearest offer. Question 9, the cornet belongs to which family of instruments? It's the brass section. Question 10, which organisation produces the war cry magazine or newspaper? It's the Salvation Army. Question 11, in which US state was the Battle of the Alamo? It was in Texas. Question 12, where on the body would you wear espadrilles? On your feet, they are shoes. Question 13, on a standard keyboard, which letter is between J and L? It's the letter K. Question 14, what sort of toys was a Cabbage Patch? They were dolls. Question 15, black, red and what other colour are on a roulette wheel? It's green, and I think the only place where that is on the 0, right? Isn't the 0 green? I think. I don't know. Question 16, in UK Monopoly, what colour property is Pall Mall? It's pink. Question 17, maths question, what is 13 multiplied by 8? It's 104. Question 18, which actress was mother to Liza Minnelli? It's Judy Garland. Question 19, the Picanto is a car manufactured by which car company? It's Kia. And question 20, who was the manager of England football team in 1966? It was Sir Alf Ramsey. That's it, guys. That is your 20 questions. I hope you have... Well, I can't talk. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend. It's a bank holiday tomorrow, which means one thing is going to rain. We are open here at the Parrot if you want to come along. We don't often open on a Monday, but we are tomorrow. Dolphin's open too, so please come along, get booked up. Remember, there is a week left of the Easter holiday, so yeah, probably best to book if you do want to come along. But yeah, until next week, have a good one. See you later. Goodbye.